Kensurfs here, and it's time for another unboxing video. I've got several products that have arrived, and it's going to take me, a little while to get through all of them. So I figured at least I can give you a preview of what's coming up in the upcoming videos here on the Kensurfs channel. Especially, I want to say thank you. We reached our 17,000 subscriber goal. So I will be doing soon a 17,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. But I've got so many of these in the pipeline that I'm trying to get out that it may be about a week before I get to that. But it is coming, and we are going to be giving away that cool razor as part of that. All right, so let me take you into the living room, and we will look at some of the products that are going to be used on this channel in upcoming episodes. All right, before I start the unboxing, that's the noisy guy you're going to be hearing walking around in the background. So, we had a lot of packages arrived, and this one was here the soonest, and it is from the folks at Wetshaving. They are having an exclusive release of Mr. Fine Classic Aftershave and Soap made exclusively for West Coast Shaving, and they are releasing this on March the 1st, 2020. So actually, I will be doing a shave with this right after this video. These have been sitting here the longest, and I apologize for the wait. Again, I was gone for the Valentine's Day weekend, and I'm trying to catch up, so I will do a shave with the soap and the aftershave in the next video. So actually, that video might come out before this one. So let me move this box out of the way. Next, from one of the viewers, Bob. He's the gentleman who sent me the giant Brute aftershave. He had requested, and I just had not got to it yet, but he said there's a lot of beginning wet shavers out there. And can you do a beginning wet shaver video with a kit from Razor Rock? And I just, you didn't have to do this, Bob. I would have eventually got to it, but I certainly will. So I guess this comes from Razor Rock, and it is a beginning shavers kit. So this will be coming up. Oh man, I do need that. Oh, I do need some new alum. So this video will be coming up soon. Let's see, I'm curious to see the Razor Rock brush. I've got Italian Barber, single edge razors, blades, and oh, look at that. Plus soft. Oh, this is actually a really nice brush. This is usually sold out, so very nice. Hey, it might be sold out next. And how is the razor? He said, Bob said his friend just got into safety razors and DE razors, and he said he uses this one, and he likes it the best. Oh, this looks very familiar. I've seen this type razor before. So yeah, definitely, we'll do a beginner's shave video with some products from Razor Rock. So that will be coming up. Thank you very much, Bob. You did not have to do that. Put that away. Let me get this angle a little better. You can kind of see more here. All right. And I'll use this kit. All right. From Sheldon and Global Shave Club. This is a two-piece razor, and I believe it's the Storm. I will double check. It came in a nice soft package, but it got a little crushed. Usually they are in cardboard boxes, but go figure. Is this the two-piece? Yes, it is. So this is a two-piece razor. Be nice to try this out. One thing I've noticed is the threaded piece is a little shorter than usual, so it's a quick change one, which I kind of like. Oh, there we go. I was hoping it was a fat boy. I know that's coming too. All right. So that is from Global Shave Club. Thank you, Sheldon. We will be getting to that very, very soon. From Frank Shaving. 2 new brushes. This is, come on, Monty, quiet. Synthetic. Let's take a look at that. Oh, I like the handle already. Oh, look at that. Look at that handle. Hey man, it's 1968, 1969 all over again. Very nice. Psychedelic. Nice, from Frank Shaving. Gonna enjoy giving that a try. Some of these I might actually be giving away also in the upcoming giveaway, or one of the upcoming giveaways. So we'll put that away right now. Set it aside. And then also from Frank Shaving. Oh, don't damage the box skin. Man, they really do wrap them nice. Oh, look at that. Very nice. There we have Badger. Very, very, very nice. That's from the good folks at Frank Shaving. All right. Can't wait to try this too. All these cool things to try out. All right, let's move that away. We're doing the Arnie Seiko. Been wearing it over the weekend. Very comfortable watch. All right, now this one. This one from the good folks at Smart Helix. I saw Kevy start to do an unboxing of this razor, and I wanted to watch, but I purposely didn't because, again, I don't want to steal any of his ideas. This is from the Ukraine. I think I've mentioned in one of my previous videos, I had an uncle, my dad's sister's husband, Uncle Vadik, and he came out after World War II, or during, to England as a refugee, and he married my aunt and Uncle Vadik. I always loved his accent. All right, so let's open this up here. This is truly an unboxing. Hate to, oh, nice. All right, let's slide that off. Apollo Light, Smart Helix, and there's their website. Is it a slide? No. There we go. Engineers, go figure. Oh, man. Very nice. Very nice packaging. So you get a lifetime guarantee certificate from them. That's this razor. This is the Apollo. So it's got 2 sides for smooth shaving or aggressive shaving. This is the first time I'm seeing this razor. Look at that. It's locked in. Puzzle box. Fantastic packaging. And it comes with its own stand. Look at that. Man. Look at the quality of that one too. Nice. You know what? I'm getting too carried away. I'm going to end up wanting to shave with all these items. I am going to, well, obviously do a video on all of these. So I'm going to wait. I don't want to get too far into that, but we'll just keep it as a brief unboxing. And those are some of the items that you're going to be seeing in an upcoming video. Actually, you can call this almost a teaser video. All right, so let's go back to the shaved end. And thank you for watching. All right. Well, I hope you like that. And I cannot wait to try them, especially those razors. Man, that starter kit is awesome. It's going to be great. So I can't wait. Thank you very much for watching. I know this isn't the typical video, but it will actually, I'm going to be doing a shave video that I'll be releasing probably before this one. So you're going to get two probably a day apart. So almost a double feature. All right. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your subscriptions. And I look forward to seeing you again in a shave video very, very soon. Until next time, it's Kensurfs saying have a great night.